Axis formation. And with the Air Atlantique DC-6 and the Swiss Breitling Super Constellation having been grounded, this DC-6 from the Flying Bulls is now the last bastion. Which the B-25 possessed. An aircraft that flew in all major theatres, its most famous It was a significant morale boost for the US in the months following Pearl Harbor. But this was, as I say, a tremendously versatile B-25J Mitchell then. Into land, flown in today's display by a crew headed by Frederick Handelman.
Yo.